Hello, good morning students. Children, in the previous week we had discussed about different types of transport like road transport, it included railways too, and we discussed about waterways. How the road transport had eventually developed from people walking on foot in the ancient times to the people now moving in super fast engines used by people all over the world. Children, even railways too, which is the lifeline of a country which carries a lot of people from one place to another, they also are developing from the steam engine to the bullet trains. Waterways, which is now mostly used for transporting goods from one place to another within a country or from the other nations. They also have developed, of course they have developed, because now we have cruise, now we have yacht and other steamers and different type of luxury boats like houseboats and etc. Children, this even talking about the waterways, there are cargo ships, there are submarines which are used by military, there are passenger ships too. Now we are going to discuss about airways, children. Airways, children, was actually the first two brothers, the Wright brothers, were successful in flying in their craft, which was in the year 1903, and they are the two brothers Orville and Wilbur. Okay, the famous Wright brothers. This is their aircraft, the first aircraft that they had developed and able to fly. Before that, many people, though unsuccessful, had tried to fly their aircrafts. Okay, because man wanted to fly like birds, and these two brothers, Wilbur and Orville, were the ones who were successful in flying their aircraft in the year 1903. And from that aircraft, which you can see, it looks in a very shape where it is not the shape or aircraft we see now, those Boeings 7007 or other, even we have spacecrafts, we have helicopters, so different type of aircrafts are used now. Children, today air transport has become very popular mode of transport, though it is expensive. It is waterways which is the cheapest mode of transport, but airways is the costliest mode of transport. But people nowadays prefer airways if they can afford, because it is very fast, isn't it? It is one of the fastest mode of transport. And people, because of lack of time and nowadays of busy schedule, people like to travel through air transport. Okay, so this air transport is one of the most successful and popular means of transport nowadays. The most dense air network is in the Western Europe and North America. Now there are different air routes now, as you know, in this the aeroplanes, they fly from one nation to another nation. So there are air routes, but the busiest air route, children, is from your Atlanta, means from Western Europe to Northern America. So from West Europe to North America is the busiest one, because you can see here also, you can see the busiest air route, as you can see so many planes, this red mark, you can see the planes, the aircrafts, they move from London, Paris, Lisbon, Rome, Moscow, Berlin, all these places to the American nations. Excuse me, children. So in this way, this air route is the busiest air route, and we have some of the famous or the busiest airports in the world like London, where it is so said that in London, that is their airport's name is Heathrow Airport, that every second means there is an aircraft which is flying to and fro, coming and going. So busy airports in the world. So you can see these this Atlantic region, from this European nation, the North European nation, to America, which is the most busiest air route. Even we have this Dubai airport is also very busy. Then you have our New Delhi airport, then you have Tokyo here, then you have Beijing here, which is in China, Tokyo in Japan. So these are all some of the busiest airports in the world. So children, air routes are used by the people all over the world, flying from one nation to another nation, and ships will take too many days to travel from one. Suppose you are coming from USA to India, just imagine it will take so many days or months to travel, but you can travel from USA to India, just 20 hours or maximum 22 hours, like that. So if it is not a direct flight, so it is very easy. Then we have helicopters which are used during the by the army for their different purpose, for their drills, and having keeping an eye on the borders. Then during the disasters, helicopters are used. Then we have those spaceships which are very, very useful for rescuing people in some of the condition, like there is an earthquake or flood. So in this way, airways is one of the most important, the fastest, and but you can say fastest but the costliest mode of transport in this world. Okay, thank you.